Mina ngu-Isabella Mhlanga. I-relationship yami nabantu bala ekhaya abantwana bakabhuti wami. Ubhuti yena washona ngo-2005 bese kwasala abantwana abawu-3 abamantombazane. Impilo yala kulo muzi impilo ebonisayo ukuthi bama-orphan nje ba-struggle with everything because abazali boyithu bashona bengenawo ama-ID nabantwana nabo ngokunjalo abanama-birth certificate or anything, so nje impilo yala for bona i-difficult but bazalelwe la bonke abantwana banawo amakhadi waseklinikhi.
My name is Shinyata Lawrence Recosta. My presence, you could see where she was so beautiful or exquisite as I can say. God came to bless us with a baby boy. And then after all, a baby boy, here comes a baby girl. And then that's how we became an item together.
Usisikolisile beyangakashadi kodwa beyanabantwana abawu-2 no-Lawrence, uMboni no-Hope. Ngezwa ngamagama ayakhuthaza ukuthi kunempilo phakathi, so singazi-ke uNkulunkulu ukuthi bekababekeleni ukuya phambili maybe bazogcina bashada or something.
She used to like wine mostly, and she was also aggressive. She don't ask me to do things, she demand. And I realized that when she demand, it's what you need, and I have to provide.
Ukholisiwe ingathi beyagula lokahamba engasho ukuthi uyagula. Yes, because sesathola ukuthi bathi amaphaphu wakhe wa-damaged ne-kidney into ezinjalo nesifuba sakhe besi-very bad.
Ukholisile utshwala buma-affect ngoba umuntu othanda ama-hot stuff, so bewamveza ilonda makathi uyadla ukudla kungena kabuhlungu, so urealize sekulate makafika esibhedlela bamtshela ukuthi amaphaphu nama-kidney amoshekile. Mina bengingam-advise ukuthi ayeke ama-hot stuff, into bevele bengihlala ngimtshela yona, namanje into engiyifisayo ukuthi kube bekasaphila bengizomtshela ukuthi mkhotsi wakhe yekela ama-hot stuff lo waphuzayo because uyazazi ukuthi umuntu onenyumonia vele.
Bathe kimi uye wahamba ukholisile bekuyi-Wednesday waya eklinikhi, local clinic eseshawela. Shawela bese ukuthi no iflu yakhe ibad bamthumela eJabulani ibheka emlangeni. Waya kuyi-Thursday and then Saturday mabaya bayomhlola uLawrence nomntana kubo uLebi. Bathola ukuthi sebamvale nangama-tape emehlweni bathi nje ayisofaka umthandazo, but then yena kunzima kuyisifuba sakhe sibheda azange bakhuluma into eziningi. And then ithe mazithi Sunday kuseni nge-11 bekuyi-Mother's Day around 7:15 bafona bathi ukholisile usendlulele emhlabeni. Yes.
Sunday bathi kumbudza uri umuntu achewa udzi-11 zvambaisa ngamanda.
She was very strong. She was very young. As I can see that she passed at the age of 29. Here I'm 51.
Ke kwaba yi-situation ebuhlungu kakhulu ngoba imali bekuyinkinga.
Things was not going accordingly because I do understand that there were those who were thinking Tina asingeni. I think gain. Therefore, Mkonyan as well.
Mbilu yanga yako babehisa ngamanda ngori ndachikona uri musi ndofara zvitukutuku ndichimubidzira khoneni ndari nofara kugai antaluchedza uri ndofara so ndari hana ndofara so nari nevo rifane vona vamwe farani apa aita zvezvo zvine angaita rabalansa ndandothemba yena, so ava vanhu vosalawo vakadi va vatuku ipfa ndohelelwa ngamanda zvihulusa.
Ngelishwa ilanga litshone emini apha eSoweto, where Lawrence lost the love of his life, his queen, at just 29 years old, leaving abantwana abancinci ababini. Our mission as Icebo Labantu is to travel across the country to assist families in burying their loved ones, no matter the circumstances. And namhlanje is no different. Masambe ke siyodibana nabo.
Morning, come in. And then, hello, madam.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila nathi.
Yebo.
Yebo. Igama nguThembisa.
Yes, madam.
How are you, sir?
I'm good, yourself?
I'm all right, I'm okay. Moses Victoria.
Angikhona njani?
Siyaphila. Baba ninjani?
Yone.
Yebo. Ngizwile ngento enehlele embi kakhulu. I'm so sorry, Lawrence. I'm really sorry for your loss.
Okay, madam.
Yes, but ngikhona ngikuthembisa ngisuke Icebo Labantu. Ngize ngizosiza.
Yes, thanks.
Yes, I heard about your wife.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
so sorry.
No, I understand, madam.
Yes. You loved her a lot, no?
Too much.
Yeah?
More than the white love itself.
More than the word love.
Yes.
That's big.
Really.
Why did you love her so much? What was so special?
Because she was so exquisite and so distinguished.
Oh, in the way that she was, the way she walked, the way she spoke.
The way she does things.
Everything.
Definitely sure.
Definitely.
Really.
The way she was a mom,
Definitely.
the way she was your wife. So this is why she deserves a really, really good burial, a send-off for the queen that she was.
Definitely sure. And I would love to thank Victoria. She realized that I'm struggling, and then I can't tell when did she meet you guys in order to come and assist me during this difficult situation. Because the rest of the family, they were throwing all those things onto me.
So they turned against you. What were they saying?
Actually, they say, I'm Kenya.
Oh.
She passed away on the 11th of May. And then still now, she's not yet buried, which is totally wrong, according to our culture.
How long has it been? 3 weeks?
Yeah, I think it's 3 weeks.
3 weeks. So
From the 11th.
Yes.
Because we were 10.
Yeah.
And then on the 11th she was gone. Yeah.
Okay. So culturally, because Ushle is manje for 3 weeks and she has not been buried. How is that going manje with the family?
Okay, Uncle, as you heard, Uncle Uche, they threw everything.
Koye.
So that's the worst part in Tachile, and I have to stand up and help her and help him. Like in the every day when I come back, I used to come here every night asking They used to tell me, sis, collected 200. Yo, it was so painful. It was so painful. And then I said, now we're going to collect house to house. After work, we tried that, but it was late. People say, it's late now, we can't give you money because it's late. And then the ladies, when I was not there, they said because of Tina, we want to drink the money, but they know that umuntu angaseko, and it's true, but they were not trusting them.
But Lawrence, there's hope now. Things are going to change, things are going to happen.
No,
how are you feeling?
No, I'm feeling so good at this stage.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't easy for me to sleep. Once I get awake, I will never sleep again. It's like I'm always having a nap, not a real sleep.
Yeah.
You know, a nap and real sleep, it can't be the same. So at least now I can dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, compared to days back, it wasn't easy.
When Asbury, how are you feeling right now?
I mean, I feel alright.
You're strong, God?
Yeah, I'm strong. Ngiyafosta kahle kahle.
Yeah, ngiyakubona baba.
Angikhoni nokukhuluma. Inhliziyo yami beyibuhlungu.
Yeah.
Kufikela namanje.
So Sizukhulu ngiyabonga kakhulu, and thank you for bringing us here. We are here to help sizokusiza. And not just manje, for the future as well, especially for ingane zenu. So bengicela ke if singakwazi ukuphuma manje siye khona eCebelethu branch siyokhetha yonke into to lay your queen to rest, like the queen that she was. You choose anything that you feel that would be suitable for her, so
Yeah,
that we can lay her
definitely.
to rest, Kusasa, and you can go on and have a hopeful future for you and your children.
No problem.
So we can go.
Yes.
All right. Ukungena kwami pha kulandlu and found what I found, I was not expecting that. The situation is dire. I found Lawrence, who has just lost the love of his life. Ulebu, a brother who has lost a sister. Into endiyibonileyo kodwa was the loss of hope. A man who's been shunned by family esithi hayi uzozibonela uzophuma kanjani. The pressures of being a parent, a husband, a man to provide for his family kodwa akakwazi. That made me really sad. Kodwa sikhona njengacebo labantu. And our mission is to lay their queen to rest, but most importantly, to give them hope and a brighter future for abantwana bakhe. Let's go to the Cebelethu branch and see what we can do. Sanibonani.
Sanibona madam.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila ninjani?
Sikhona.
Welcome
Sanibonani.
to Cebelethu Funerals. Sanibona maninjani?
Come, guys.
La, ngasondela.
Okay. Guys, I think out of respect for umndeni, I think this is something that you need to do alone. So kulapho ngizonishiya khona, you're in such good hands, ningawari. But if you need anything, ngikhona.
Oh, right, sis.
Ne?
Okay, sis. Sabo.
Niyaphila?
Sabo.
Siyaphila nathi singeza ngapha.
Ngapha.
Sicela nilale.
Love is love, and love is conquering. I never cheat on her. That's the reason why I'm still standing here in front of you.
Sanibona?
Yeah.
Niyaphila.
Sabo.
Okay, ngegama nguSisanda Dubu and ngizosiza umndeni wakaWilliams ngamalungiselelo. Ngizwile ukuthi nivelelwe umkhuhlane ekhaya. Ngalokho, on behalf of Cebelethu Funerals, we'd love to send our condolences emndenini. City, we are with you every step of the way. And what we offer, what we always promise our clients is a dignified funeral service. Yeah? So, what we are offering umndeni is what we call the standard dome package. And what this means is that firstly, masithole i-call emndenini yokuthi usisa akasekho, siyeseza la ikhona sazomlanda, and then samletha la emakhazeni aseCebelethu. And then before sibafake emakhazeni ke sivamise ukubageza.
Yes.
Kwaba ukuthi ke sisiza umndeni nge-registration ye-death certificate. And then lastly kuphuma what we call a standard dome casket. So ngizonisa ngale showroom nikwazi ukuthi nibone i-casket kasisi. So iyo lena indlu kasisi ne siyibiza nge-standard dome casket, and then iza ngale khala ebizwa nge-hemlock ne. It's a half view, and then ngizonibonisa nje phakathi ukuthi banjani i-half view casket, okusho ukuthi mayisivuliwe ke sikwazi ukubona nje uhalf omzimba ne. Into enhle ngayo futhi ke it's a dome casket, which means it's got that arc shape phezulu. It's got nice bronze handles. Phinde futhi ke phakathi inomkamelo, kube ne-glass visor. Kuyothi mase simfakile phakathi ke simlungiselele ukuthi aye ekhaya, and then kukhona i-glass visor that the family will be able to view through.
Yes.
Isifiso sami ukuthi ingathi angalala aphumule kahle, because according to i-situation the way bengakhona besibona kahle ukuthi ayikunzima ngempela, angeke sikwazi ukumbeka, but ngiyabona ukuthi ngoNkulunkulu sikwazile ukuncedakala, uzobekwa alale ngoxolo.
Nangona bekunzima, uLawrence nosapho lwakhe were able to pick out everything that they need to make sure that isiqindamathe sakhe, his madam, will be laid to rest with dignity kusasa. Ewe bazolala ukudinwa, but they will sleep with a sense of relief knowing that everything is going to be okay. Thina ke sobona kusasa.
Oh God, see, she's no longer around here. I'm left alone and I'm lost. I'm in the dark, but I know I can see I'm in the dark, but she's watching me right now.
Usisikhulisile uza ngami emuva. Bengiphila naye kahle. Kufika namanje kuzoyenzakala lokhu kwenzekile. Nami yakungiphathanga kahle. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, angikhoni nokukhulumela phezulu. Ngizobuhlungu kakhulu.
Ngithenge ngibona ngomlomo usisi lona ukuthi utshentshe ikhala ublack ikhala kuphela etshentshe umlomo ikhala kuphela etshentshe
The chin, esiyisile.
Nanoma avale amehlo abhekele.
No, it's fine.
Choma from childhood sasebancane ngibona ngomlomo usisi
Ufuna ukubona God, uzovula umlomo. Angithi ngabo, ngiyasho manje. Ngizomkhaba.
ngifila kabuhlungu futhi mangicabanga le abantwana because ushiya abantwana bakhe abancane uhope nomboni lo munye una 2 years lo munye una 3.
No, don't tell me any nonsense. This is my nonsense. I don't know to talk much. Yo.
Ekseni isambaba yini this is my friends.
I'm gonna remember my darling through her kids. I will always cherish her. She's my darling for life. And I never run away.
Silana ngokuthi lokho kuhlonizwayo siyabuzwa nathi. Kodwa ngithi ukhululeni usisi ahambe abuyele ngoba uyedwa udokotela wethu emhlabeni angeke uzophile ngaphandle kokuthi yena umdali akuthathe ayokupholisa uyohlala endaweni yakhe yokuphumula. Ngaloko bafowethu ngithi sulani lezo nyembezi alohlanga lungehlanga uNkulunkulu nathi uzahlala enani nanoma engekho sisi.
This is the journey of Kholusiwe. Wihlelile indlela yakhe. Manje ha salani nina family nijuduzekile. Ningasakhali nikhale kakhulu. Ukhulisile uphumulile. And to the community, Khulisiwe, we promise you that your family is in good hands from now.
Never see me again. You will look for me, but I'll be no more. As a cloud vanishes and is gone, so it's he who goes to the grave, does not return. He will never come to his house, and his place will know him no more.
Wambe ngathi yilona ngathi ni president or umuntu oyi-celebrity, so nabantu ababhilivanga namhlanje batshela ukuthi maybe ungcwatshwe celebrity or yini, kanti ungcwatshwe umntana ka-1996 ongasebenzi, onganabazali, ongana even ne-ID, mara ungcwatshwe ngendlela emnandi. Even laba asebenza abangcwatshwa kanje, lento engiyibone today ngijabulile.
God, that my life is but a breath. My eyes will never see happiness again. The eye that sees me now will see me no longer. You look for me, but I'll be no more. As a cloud vanishes and is gone, so it's he who goes to the grave and does not
How are you?
We're good. Yourself?
I'm okay.
Yes, thanks. ma'am.
You're looking better than yesterday?
Yeah, definitely sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so that perhaps today I can sleep and relax
And relax.
and think about the future.
Yes. And
rather
breathe.
than, you see, rather than thinking about the past.
Yeah, but I think this is a lesson. You
It is.
see what needs to be done. You've got children now that need you. And there's a bright future. There's hope. This has shown hope does spring eternal. So what now, Dr. Lawrence? What's going to happen now? In terms of the future of your children, the IDs, your home.
Tomorrow I will be going to Home Affairs
Yeah.
to settle about these things like ID stuff like that.
And there's so many people there. I see some, I won't mention the names
Yes.
of the parties, of the ones that are there, having nice, delicious food. But there's so many people here. It just takes one word to say, can you help me here? Can you help me there? Because they are here, they're already here. Okay, Sis Victoria, you are a pioneer. I am so incredibly proud and inspired to meet you and to know you. Dr. Lawrence, just like you said, your future is so bright. And I'm so proud that you stood up for your madam and your family.
Yes.
I'm going to leave you to it now. You can stay with your family and feel the support of your loved ones.
Yes, madam. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
It's going to be okay. Thanks.
It's going to be okay. Izolo xa ndidibana nabo abantu bam, they were just an island bekhangelana namacebo. By the morning, when they were bidding farewell to their madam, there were just a few people to say goodbye. But by the afternoon, besekugcwele umphakathi wonke jikelele to lend their support. Now that just tells you that things can turn around in your favor in just one split second, and that hope always springs eternal. Sesiyidlalile ke thina indima yethu. The Queen has been laid to rest with dignity, and as Lawrence had said, his future is so bright. Siyabulela, sihambile thina.